Premlata ma'am, so we will start.
All right, sir. We're going to start. Okay.
Just wait
So,
for 10 seconds more, ma'am, so then we will start.
all right, sir. No problem.
Deepak sir, I would request you to mute everyone, please, sir.
Okay, sir. So, ma'am, we will start now, ma'am.
All right, sir. So let's start. So good evening to one and all present here in the Campus Reconnect session organized by University Institute of Tourism and Hospitality Management. It is indeed my great pleasure to welcome among us respected HODs, faculty members, and future Brony of Chandigarh University. On this auspicious occasion, I would like to welcome the alumni of this institution, Chef Rajiv Pandit, who is currently working as a culinary specialist with Princess Cruises specialization in grill. Rajiv has experience of 4+ years in the culinary field, working with the specialization brands like Taj Hotel and Resorts, Rosette Hotels and Resorts, and apart from this, in his tenure of the culinary journey, he got golden opportunity to work with MasterChef Australia, Mr. Gary Mahagan, Spanish specialist Chef Alberto Rodriguez, and MasterChef George Calombares. Not only is it important of gladness for us, but also an opportunity to reflect on our learning and achievements. Our alumni Rajiv has established himself as a successful individual in almost every field, and we could not be any more prouder. The main purpose of organizing a Campus Reconnect meeting is to gather our old students and give them an opportunity and evening of memories. All of you belong here. Your hearts belong here, and home is where the heart is. On this note, I would like formally invite Mr. HOD, Mr. Chetan Chauhan to kindly advance over the session further. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much, ma'am. So, good evening, everybody. It is indeed my great pleasure to welcome among us the alumni of this institution, Chef Rajiv. Not only is it a moment of happiness and nostalgia for us, but also an opportunity to reflect on our learning and achievements. Our alumni have established themselves on successful individual in almost every field of their lives, and this is a very proud moment for all of us. Our alumni has brought great glory to our institution. They have set the example of being successful and good human being. They inspire us to have clear conscience, the courage to speak the truth, and the importance of being authentic. And this, when we talk about Alumni Connect program, right? So it is a platform where our students who have achieved like as per their hard work, right, and it can be a great learning for every aspiring students, right? With this, I welcome you all. Have a great session. Please get inspired with all the learning and hard work which has already been all together brought by chef. So with this note, I hand over the session back to Premlata ma'am. Up to you, ma'am. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Chetan sir. Now, Deepak sir, I would be requesting you to kindly introduce the students with the registration video of alumni, and later on we can start with Mr. Amandeep Satana and Rajiv Chef with the question and answer session. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Premlata ma'am. So guys, now I'm going to show you one video. Okay, this is just a small video regarding the registration process. Okay, so how we can do our registration on CU alumni portal, that we call it CU Alma portal. Okay, so just a moment, I'm going to share a video with you.
Welcome to Chandigarh University Alumni Association. Here's the registration process on the alumni portal of Chandigarh University. Open your web browser, go to search bar and type alumni.cucht.in. Now you have landed onto our alumni portal. Navigate through the website. Here you can find the registration link. You can register with LinkedIn, Facebook and email. Firstly, we shall log in with our LinkedIn. Click on Login with LinkedIn. Enter your LinkedIn email, enter your password, and just like that, you are good to go. Here you can navigate through your profile and the alumni portal and update your profile. Congratulations, you are now registered on alumni portal of Chandigarh University. Now we'll be registering with Facebook. Click on Login with Facebook, enter your Facebook ID, enter your password. Now you are a registered member on alumni portal. You can even connect with your email. Click on the Connect with Email. Enter your email ID and password. Here you will be asked to enter few important details such as personal and academic details. Click on Register. Congratulations, you have now registered yourself on Chandigarh University Alumni Association. We are looking forward for your support. Please register yourself as soon as possible and follow us on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter and be a part of Chandigarh University Alumni Association.
I hope you watch this video. Just a moment, guys. One more video of just 1 more minute. I want to share with you. Just a moment for that. Now I'm going to share with you second video. Please watch it.
Welcome to Chandigarh University Alumni Association. We are here to guide you through the jobs and career opportunities across CU Alma portal. Follow us through the entire video. Open your web browser, go to the search bar and type alumni.cucht.in. Navigate through the website. Here you can find the careers button. Clicking on it will lead you to a drop-down menu for jobs and internships. Firstly, we'll go through the process of job posting. Click on job. Here you can find the jobs that are posted by our respective alumni. If you wish to post a job opportunity for your fellow alumni, click on post a new job. Here you will be asked to fill few important details such as job title, location, company. Enter some key detailed description regarding your job post. Click on post job and you are good to go. Now, we'll go through the process of internships. Click on internships. Here you can find the internships that are posted by our respective alumni. If you wish to post an internship opportunity for your fellow alumni, click on post a new internship. Here you will be asked to fill few important details such as title, location, duration, date. Enter some detailed description regarding your internship. Click on post internship and you are good to go. Hope you found the tutorial useful and utilize this opportunity to the fullest. Thank you and be a part of Chandigarh University Alumni Association.
So thank you so much, students, to watching this video. These two videos, one was of your Alma portal registration and one video was how you are going to register job options and your internship options when you will be an alumni. So now I'm transferring to Ms. and I'm giving word to Mr. Rajiv Pandit, Chef Rajiv. So Chef Rajiv, now he will share his experience and his skills with you. And when he is going to show you one presentation. And after that, when he will finish by that, so you are able to ask some questions, some doubts which will be in your mind. So now, Rajiv, it's your hands now.
Deepak, thank you so much for this wonderful opportunity to share my experience with you all guys of Chandigarh University. Hi, my name is Rajiv and currently I am working with Princess Cruises as a culinary specialist in grill section. So I started my career in 2016 by Taj Hotel and Resorts. After that, I went to Delhi with Rosie Hotels and Resorts. After that, in the year of 2019, I joined Princess Cruises as a culinary specialist. So I belong to batch 2013 to 2016. So about my experience, I just want to show you a PPT about the sea life. After that, you can ask me a question and all. Let's wait for a while. So, okay, diverse opportunities for hospitality graduates on sea. Ocean of job opportunities for a hospitality graduate, whether on land, air, or sea. Okay, so diverse opportunity for hospitality graduates on sea. Hospitality isn't limited to the world-class hotels. It includes luxury resorts, premier casinos, exciting outdoor venues, fun theme parks, cruise lines, and much more. Cruise ship industries has one of the most exciting career imaginable. Top cruise companies enthusiastically pursue out our gregarious, forward-thinking, and competent professionals. We have a lot of openings in the cruise liners. Like I will discuss that in next slides. This is my profile and all. The next thing is arrest management. Okay. Restaurant. Restaurant is the main part of the cruise line. Like,
Chef Rajiv, good evening. Sorry to interrupt you. Your voice is not coming. Please check.
just a minute. Am I audible to you?
Yes, now it is audible. We are able to hear you.
So can I start from the first slide or you want me to continue from here?
No, you can continue from here only, Rajiv.
Okay, just wait for a while. So this is the restaurant. Chef, jobs, kitchen staff, waiters, barman, manager. Restaurant is the main part of the hospitality industry. Whenever we enter inside the hospitality industry, the chef jobs, kitchen staff, waiters, barman, manager. Next is hotel facility, cabin crew, housekeeping, reception manager, butlers, etc. So hotel facilities, like hotel is running by cabin crew, housekeeping is the backbone of the hotel, reception is handled by front office, and we call purser in cruise liner. Okay, so manager, outline managers, butlers, specialized service provided to the VVIP guests by butlers. Okay, leisure center, instructors, lifeguards, activity leaders. These are the part of the cruise ship apart from hospitality industry where other people can pursue their career. Like they give instruction how to operate the ship's lifeguards, how to save people, and tell them how to guide their life. Activity leaders and all, gym, personal trainers and workers. For the fitness, we have gym on our board. So personal trainers are hired for that. Workers are also like spa and everything. Salon spa and spa jobs, massage and hairstyling. Everything is shipping the Titanic. The today ship is much bigger than that. So land excursion team, tour guide, seaman, recreation staff. So when we dock the ship outside any country or like on port, so these tour guides will guide the guests and the staff member to where to go and where they can explore the new things. Merchant marine jobs. This is apart from the cruise ship. Merchant is different. Like in cruise ships, we took passengers and we cruising with them. Like or merchant marine job is like we are taking carrying another like cargo. Cargo ships is a merchant marine ships where captain, mate, able seamen, deckhands are operating these systems. And engine department. It's for the engineering department who want to join cruise ships. Like chief DD, assistant engineer, oiler, wiper. So they run home the ships and maintain the everything like from engine to deck everything. Sure. The person who want to pursue their career in the deal with customer support ships. This is the source of
Rajiv, your voice is not clear. Please check it for that. It's interrupting in between. Sorry to disturb you in between.
no problem, no problem.
It's going, coming like that.
Okay, now I'm audible.
Yes, now it's fine. You can use headphones and earphones.
Yeah, I'm already using.
Oh.
Okay, so casinos. Casinos is a big, huge platform for money making in cruise ships. So people who are interested in casinos, they can join. They can directly apply. Association. They are hiring for many positions for casinos. Entertainment department like dancer, production managers, comedians, and musicians. They have huge space for them. The next is, just wait for a while. Core departments like food and beverage management, food production, housekeeping department, restaurants, bar and lounges, culinary arts, bakery and pastry specialty, kitchen operation, guest room cleaning and maintenance, public area. Retail management for like shops and shoppers, everything is there. Recreation and health facilities from spa, pool and gym, everything. Entertainment and guest programs from musician to dancers, everything is included in this. So this is guest services. We call person in hotel we call front office.
Chef voice.
Okay, now I'm audible.
Yes, yes.
Okay, so other cruise department, casino, fine arts, stewarding departments, production technicians, photography and video departments. Photography is also a different section for the people who love photography. And medical officer, we also have a huge team of medicals, information technology, human resources, deck and technical crew staff department. So these are top international cruise liners, Princess Cruise, headquarters USA, Miami, Florida, headquarters in Los Angeles, California. Royal Caribbean, Celebrity Cruises, Norwegian Cruise Line, Costa Cruises. So many cruises are there like Carnival, and Australia, and Celebrity Cruises. Disney Cruises. So, so job role and everything is different from the cruise liners. If anybody wants to pursue in
Rajiv, voice is interrupting again.
now I'm audible.
Yes, Rajiv, you are audible. You can start, please. You can continue.
Okay, so cruise ship jobs enable you to travel the world and get paid for it. Because if anybody interested to travel the world, cruise line is the best option for them because it's paying for your travel expenses and all. They need work, but they will also let you explore the world wherever you want to go. In cruise liners, you will travel around the globe in different countries. Like in one country, we cruise around 7 days. After that, we shift our ship to another country. So spending winters in Caribbean,
Rajiv,
like,
sorry to interrupt you. You can switch off your video, Rajiv. So maybe after switch offing the video, so maybe sound will come more clear.
yeah, it's almost over. Last slide is there.
Okay. So sometime
Okay.
in question answering also, if problem will come, so you can switch off your video.
No worries, no worries.
Thank
Okay. So spend your winters in the Caribbean and your summers in Alaska. So mostly in our winters, we do cruising in Caribbean like Mexico, Costa Rica, Punta Arenas, and so many canals are there, handmade canals. And Alaska is very famous next to Canada, what is in US. So it's a totally glacier place. So you can travel out there. So your opportunity is not
you. Voice gone, Rajiv.
Next slide. Anybody want to question or answer? They can contact.
So now, guys, you can ask questions also. So Sadhana sir will take care of that. So hand over to Sadhana sir.
Yes, sir. Guys, now the house is open for the questions. So if you want to ask the questions, you can.
Yes, sir. Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon. Sorry, good evening.
Good evening, sir. Yeah. Sir, I want to ask a question like, can we get a good amount of salary in cruise lines?
Definitely, you will get a good salary amount on cruise line. It's 3 times better than a hospitality like hotel line.
Okay, sir.
So anything else you want to ask?
Yes, sir. One more thing, like, sir, if we are working in a cruise ship for 1 or 2 year, and then we want to go to any five-star hotel property for the further working, so can we do that?
Yes, definitely, because the time is already changed, and now in cruise liners, you will be trained in different sections, not in a specific section. Like if you are doing Indian cuisine, you will do Indian cuisine. In cruise lining, you will train in different sections like bakery, pastries, garden, and living.
Guys, anybody else who wants to ask the question?
Thank you, sir.
Yes,
Well,
sir.
hi,
Hello.
hello.
Yes, sir. Good evening. Am I audible?
Yes, you are audible. Please.
Sir, I just want to ask, after having an amazing experience in the cruise line, will you suggest that one should work in the cruise?
Yeah, definitely.
Okay, sir. So another question. Being away from land for most of the time, when one is on the ship, get seasick, how did you cope up with it?
So you are talking about seasickness.
Yes.
Okay, so we have specific tablets for that for seasickness. So you just need to take that, and you will feel okay.
Okay, sir. Thank you so much.
Welcome.
Anybody else who wants to ask question to
Yes,
sir?
sir. I would like to ask a question.
Yes, please.
Good evening, sir. I wanted to ask that so far, how has your experience been in your journey after leaving the college?
Okay, so I started my journey after leaving the college by 2016. My degree was completed in May 2016, and I started my hospitality journey by after the May. I started my work with Taj Hotels and Resorts Chennai, Taj Coromandel, and I left that by May 2017. After that, I joined Rosette Hotel and Resort as a HOD, Hotel Operational Trainee. After that, I was working there as a acting CDP. After that, I got opportunity to work on cruise liners. So I joined that for just because of I love traveling, and the amount they were paying was really good. So I joined that as a culinary specialist in a grill section. So it was a wonderful journey. So I think you also have to join that.
Okay, sir. Thank you. And one more question.
Yes.
What are the other fields one can join in the cruise line, and what are the perks they provide you?
So like, which one do you want to join?
Can you repeat, sir? Your voice was cracking.
So which field do you want to join on cruise liner?
Sir, I'm asking about what are the other options?
Other options else than hospitality?
Yes, sir.
So you can join medical staff if you are trained in that. You can join deck, engine, and many more like spa. You have fitness. We have fitness program for that. So many other options. We have shore excursion team who guide the guests along outside the country. So they also
Okay,
pay
sir.
you extra for that. If you are doing shore sighting, they will pay you extra for that.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Welcome.
Oh, Chef Rajiv, sorry, there are some students who have posted their questions to me, and I would like to take their questions on. I would like to ask you the question on their behalf. So, like, there is this student of ours called Sachin. He said that being in the kitchen, being from the kitchen industry, there are various brands that you use in the kitchen. So, can you show us some light, throw us some light in regards to the equipments that are being used?
Okay, so like we have so many different sections in the kitchen, like from grill to hot kitchen to cold kitchen. We have so many equipments like we are using high class, world class equipments like thermomixer to everything, overs equipments we are using. So we have different kind of ovens over there which can cook. If we are operating a single oven, we can cook 6 items on another temperature, like 6 item cooking on another temperature. So we will get 6 results there. So it's very fast way of cooking technique because in cruise liners we have to cook in a bulk because we are handling more than 3,000 guests every day. So we are preparing 9,000 meal per day.
Okay. Chef, there is one more question that has been asked in the chat box. I'll speak up the question. Chef, as well as we are all aware of COVID-19, that some of us are suffering from it also. We know that cruise ships are also being affected by this disease, and because of the tourism has suffered a lot. So how can we come over it? What are your comments? What are your thoughts on this, sir?
So I want to tell you that not only cruise lines, hospitality and other all sectors are affected. See, this pandemic is temporary and your future is permanent. So you need to think positive about it. So if you will think positive, then outcome will become positive. So if you will go negative, then your life will be in negative position. So please think positive, totally.
Okay, Chef. Chef, there is another question that has been posted is, what in your point of view is an ideal condition in which one should join the cruise line industry or the ship industry?
So
Like
I think
after 2 or 10th, or can you shed some light on it?
okay, so they are asking like they want to know about cargo ships and cruise liners, I think.
Yes, please.
Okay, so in cargo ships, you will not engage to the guests because they are shipping, the to another country. So the sea life is very tough over there, but the money is very good. For like we are doing cruising for 7 days, we will get our port in 2 to 3 days. But on cargo ships, you need to sail on sea for minimum 1 month, and the sailing time will be maximum like 3 months on sea. So you will not able to see the land, and you will also get only 20 to 30 people on cargo ships. But on cruise ship, you will get more than 4,000 people.
Chef Rajiv, one question of student is there one more that he want to know like which type of problems we face when we join the cruise ship in the first job. So which type of issues, which type of problems like you can say homesickness, like seasickness, and about like how we can stay over there, which type of accommodation we get there, and what are the like near about working hours, how we have to work, what difficulties we will face there when we start our first job.
Okay, so I will explain it to you. So from land to sea journey. Okay, so it's like new fish to the ocean. If you are going from land to cruise liner, so it's new fish to the ocean. So you will face little difficulty over there because you will get new people, new atmosphere, new working culture over there. So from hotel industry is very different to cruise liners. Cruise liners deals with high volume cooking, and hotel industry is doing very less cooking. So if you will go to the cruise liner, first few days are like you will feel very negative because the people around you are totally unknown to you, and the work is totally different. You have to cook a lot over there, so the work pressure is also high. So, but after few days, you will feel totally bored with the new people around the world. On my ship, I was interacting with more than 45 countries people. So seasickness and all is very small thing over there.
Thanks, Rajiv. One more question is Rajiv like that. That which type of facilities we can get over there? Which type of facilities are provided by the cruise ship for their staff and all?
Okay, so from the beginning, step out of your house, you will get everything from the cruise liner, from your journey from your home. You will get transportation, your flight tickets, your medical facilities totally free out of cost. You will get totally accommodation over, very well maintained, clean, hygienic accommodation over there. Your food, your uniform, everything provided by the company. You only just need to pay for your internet charges. Everything else is totally out of cost, totally free for you.
Chef, I just wanted to ask one question in regard of the student. They wanted to know which area is better while they are working in a cruise, whether it is service or they wanted to continue with the production.
See, it's about the interest of the candidate. Stable, then he need to think twice about his career, definitely.
So at your point of view, what do you suggest a person to be in what field, in service or in kitchen?
See, I belong to production department, so I will definitely tell him to join production.
Thank you for the answer. There is one student who wanted to know about that off, like do you get some off in cruise?
There is no off in cruise liner. No off in cruise liner. What you will get very good vest and very good atmosphere over there. So you don't have to worry about your off and all.
Any student, anyone else who wanted to ask something, you can put it in a chat so we can read and we can ask from chef. There is one more student who wanted to ask, can fresher can apply for the cruise ship job?
Okay, so first of all, you have to work for minimum 2 years in hospitality industry if you want to get a good salary in the cruise liner. As a fresher, you can join, but very few agencies will allow you to join cruise liners. What they will give you very less amount for the joining, and that will not be satisfy you. You will leave the cruise ships within 15 to 20 days. Especially beware of fraudulence because uh, this time many people are asking for the money and they will promise you to get you on board on cruise ships. So please, there are very less agencies in India who are dealing with the official cruise liners. So please, if you need any kind of assistance, you can contact me. I will guide you throughout.
Chef Rajiv, can you a little bit brief students about how the process of interviews will go on that, and which type of preparations they have to do?
For the interview,
Yes, for interview for trying a job on cruise ship.
okay, so there are different kind of criteria for the hiring on cruise ships. First of all, they will arrange a job fair, or you can directly contact the agencies. Like we have Carnival PSSI Mumbai, that is officially linked to the Princess Cruises, Carnival P&O Australia Costa Cruises. We have Kamakshi, we have Indus. Many agencies are in Mumbai, but beware of fraud because they are asking you for money. CSSI Mumbai will not ask you for the money. You just need to go through the program courses like STCW and fire safety and your visa fee. It will cost you around 30 to 35,000. That's it.
Chef Rajiv, one student he want to know like if suddenly any emergency happen at his home and you are on the sea right now. So what are the process or how means fast he can come back to his home if any case of an emergency will be?
Okay. So emergency will be taken care by the company. It should be related to your blood relation, like your mother or father. So they will send you home immediately. They will arrange your flights and everything, and they will give you 1 month vacation period for that. After that, you need to join back, and they will arrange your all travel and everything.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes,
Good
please.
evening, first of all. I have a question to you regarding like what are the challenges or the hurdles that an individual face in order to get selected in cruise line as a chef? Like what are the basic like the experience or the type of studies which one has to know the different like if for example if I'm registering through a company that is based in a Goa, then what are the basic cuisines that I actually have to know in order to get selected as a chef?
Okay, if you belong to Indian cuisine, then there is no space in cruise liner for Indian cuisine. You can apply in a Indian cruise like Jalesh Cruising is in India, which is running from Mumbai to Goa to Singapore to Thailand and Indonesia. What for the international cruises, they don't hire any Indian cuisine person. So you need to learn Italian cooking, European cooking like a cold section and hot section, pastry, bakery, and all. And especially in specialized in butchery, butchery is also getting a good salary over there.
Yes, I have another question as well. That is,
Okay.
what are the like ideal triads? Like, is there any height requirement for an individual, or any weight or something like? If a person feels gets seasick, or what are the like? Is there any examination that we actually have to pass for that?
You just need to go through a medical test that will be conducted before joining your ship vessel. What seasickness is very normal thing. Just one tablet and you will feel relaxed. Nothing else is there.
Thank you so much, sir.
Welcome.
So one more question, sir, that one of the students has asked that how many countries you've been to while working in the cruise industry?
Okay, I have visited more than 20 countries.
Hanji sir.
Can you share some experience that how was the experience of
Hello?
working in the cruise line and visiting those countries and what you've learned over that span of visiting those 20 countries?
Okay, so you will get new experience over there. For like, I think you are not heard about the
Hanji sir.
time back procedure and all. For like, if you are traveling to another country, we will get a 1 hour back time. So the time will be different to another country. So we need to rotate our clock back 1 hour behind the clock from the exact location to the next location. We also get a time forward system over there. So working in a different country, we will meet like different cultures over there. We deal with different cuisines. Like I was in Australia, Japan, Singapore, Cape Town, South Africa, Barbados, Bridgetown, West Indies, Costa Rica, Punta Arenas, so many French Polynesia, US, UK. So many countries are there. So I met with different kind of persons over there.
So guys, anybody have any question you want to ask? So now we are closing the session due to the lack of time. Anyone any doubts? So you can ask. So otherwise, we are having just 1 minute left for the session. So,
one person is this, what about duty hours in cruise ships? The duty hours will be like 10 to 11 hours. What you will get a break between that.
So I hope everybody clear your doubts and lots of questions already cleared by Chef Rajiv about your duty hours, about your hurdles and problems which you face over there and opportunities also. So now I'm saying thank you so much, Chef Rajiv. You came here and you give your spacious time for us, and you clear our students' doubts. So thank you so much, Rajiv, and be a part of CU Alumni Association, and hope we will welcome you again in our university when pandemic will over. Thank you so much. Thank you all our principals, sir, our all dignitaries, our HODs, Punita ma'am, Chetan sir, Premlata ma'am, Amandeep sir, and thank you for all students and faculties for joining this session. And I'm really thankful to everybody from my heart to join this session and make this session so nicely and so proudly about CU Alumni Association. Again, thank you so much, Rajiv.